Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Larry, this is Work Less, Enjoy Life More. Today I'm actually in a campground, which I never ever go to campgrounds. But it's springtime, fishing's good, and I'm right next to a lake, so that's kind of hard to beat. I'm actually going to attempt to do catch and cook. I've never done a catch and cook before. I've never even cleaned a fish before. So I'm hoping it works out, because otherwise dinner's going to be something out of a can tonight if that's the case. So I caught one so far, but of course the camera wasn't on. But I had to throw it back. It was too small. It's almost, let's see, it's a little after 6. It's almost dinner time. I'm starving. I'm ready to catch something. Well, I didn't catch any fish. That's alright. I'm just going to try again in the morning. I'm not sure if these are mosquitoes or what kind of flying bugs they are, but they're all over the place. Left the door open a little too long. Thinking I'm going to go to bed early and get up early in the morning and do some fishing. That's the plan, I think. Whew. Morning, y'all. Well, almost time. I'm gonna finish this cup of coffee. I'm not even doing breakfast, and I am getting out there and doing some fishing this morning because I've got to catch me a fish this morning. And this whole campsite, or this whole campground, is reserved for tonight. So in a few hours, this place will be loaded with families and kids and, campers, whatever, just tons of people. I don't want to be out there fishing while those people are all here, so I've got about 4 hours until people start showing up, so I got to get out there and start fishing. Wish me luck. Well, I didn't catch anything, and I got to get out of here. It's checkout time, so I guess we're gonna go find another lake because I need me a fish. We're heading to JD Dam, which is about 5 miles from where I was at. I've never been there before. I've just seen it on maps. So who knows? Hopefully there'll be some good fishing there. Well, that was a big waste of time. You know, as the sign says, I can't catch anything. Well, I can't catch anything and keep anything. Yeah, that sucks. Like, I wish I could have fished here. I don't even know where to fish now. Well, I don't know what to do. I give up. I'm running out of time, and I don't know what to do. I didn't catch. Well, I caught the one fish, but it wasn't big enough to keep. This whole video, the whole point is supposed to be a catch and cook, so frustrating, man. Frustrating. I guess I'm just gonna go find a camping spot and give up for the night. Maybe come up with a new game plan for tomorrow. I fed the dogs. I had some leftovers, and I just don't know what to do. I can't seem to catch a fish in this lake or any of these lakes, and I don't even know. I'm a mile down the road from the lake. I might go back there in the morning. I might just say, you know, scratch the whole plan and just go down the road a little further and find another lake and try someplace different, because man, I'm just not having any luck here. That's the plan. I get the plan is there's no plan. That's the plan. The plan is I'm gonna sleep on it. Anyways, all right guys, good night. Oh, yes. All right. Right at 13 inches. Okay. Finally caught a fish. I have never had this much problem well, no, I take that back. Let's start over. Man, I didn't think that was gonna happen. It was legit. Like, I switched on my pole. It was the last cast. I was giving up. Just a wild card, threw it on, you know, an area where I hadn't thrown before, and caught a fish, and it just happened to be long enough for me to keep. So we are having a fish fry tonight. Yeah. Okay, so that's the meat I got from it. Just small fillets. Part of that is because the fish was small, and part of that is my lack of knowledge on how to clean a fish. Let's go ahead and get it fried up. We're going to use this Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. I've never used it before, but looks pretty easy. Alright, then we got some buttermilk. Swished around in the buttermilk. Alright, shake off the excess, and then we're going to get the flour on it. You know what, let's try a double dip, see if that works. Get it extra crispy. Alright. I don't think I need to add a whole lot of oil because it's just a couple little pieces of fish. There we go. That should be just enough to cover the bottom. I feel like it's probably hot enough. Let's see what happens. There we go. I don't think it's going to take long for them to cook. Fish is done. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Wow, that's good. I don't know if it's mostly the breading. Man, bugs. You can tell it's spring right now, but I don't know if it is the breading or what, but I could taste the fish over the flavor of the breading, and it's really good. I like it. Where's this even going? I don't even know. Where are we going with this conversation? Do you know where we're going with this conversation? I don't. Are you in there? Are you in there? Yeah. Man, I burnt up like half my battery just sitting here talking to you on the couch, even though only like 5 seconds of it will end up in the video. Just know we had a good conversation once, guys. Just know we did. But unfortunately it got edited out because nobody has any sort of attention span anymore, so it's cold now. It's getting dark. Last time I was here I heard some huge animal walking around the woods at night and I couldn't see what it was, so I don't really want to be out here much longer. But this was amazing. So if you guys made it this far, I really appreciate it. Please, consider subscribing. You don't have to, but it'd be awesome if we can get us, get this channel to 1,000. We're getting there. We're getting that snowball rolling. So, that'd be awesome if you guys could subscribe and maybe even like this video. Anyways, until next time, thanks for watching. And I'll see you then.